So hello everyone, my name is Dhruv Sunagar and today I will see the one of my project which was named Core Inventory. So basically I made this project using React with in front end part I use React with white and also I use React router for seamlessly navigation between component, and I also use React query for async data and case invalidation. And also after that, I use Justin for state management and Tailwind CSS because this was it was very easy to apply styling, uh, and also I used Recharge, which was a library to display the analytics and all the charts like a pie chart, graph chart in our dashboard. So it is very easily to implement it by using this library. And in the backend part, I use Node.js with Express.js to create a RESTful API, and also I use in database for Supabase. So basically, Supabase is a SQL database where user can write a SQL query to generate all the tables and data and connection between them. And also I use JWT for authentication, and SMTP node mailer, which was I use in password reset feature. So whenever a user click on request password reset, so it will be use node mailer via SMTP. So its credentials are stored in our env file. I will show you that actual env of backend and front end part with the actual value. So this is the whole the steps, and inside the data layer, Supabase Postgres for domain entities, and also user table for synchronous auth identities. And also whenever user can log in with this website, so their data was stored in a Supabase, and there is a feature of inventory. Also, let's see the actual purpose of the making a core inventory project. So basically, a core inventory is an enterprise ready inventory management uh, inventory management, a website where a user can manage product movement and inbound receipt and outbound deliveries and stock accuracy and warehouse location and control in one centralized system. So inside this application I use role based inventory workflow for inventory manager and sorry, warehouse and staff. And also uh, there is a real-time data was fetched in in real time in my website. Also, there is some kind of uh, features of this inventory like authentication and account security, like in login with login ID plus password, and also OTP hashing before in memory storage, OTP expire, Windows control, also OTP recent cooldown controls. There, this is the all credentials which a user was implemented in their env file, which I will see in further part. Also, there is a core inventory operation like user can create and list, update and delete the product, and also it can create the receipt and uh, detail and validate also, and delivery and stock listing, stock transfer and all these stuffs, and master data and admin. So there are two role which I will tell you, like warehouse management and also admin aware warehouse and staff. So there are warehouse management and API screens, which I will show you in the further part, and location management using API and screens. Also, there is a very useful user friendly UI to make this website very user friendly and use this website very easily. So there is a full screen startup loader and route transition loader and status chip, which I was implemented in my website, and global request activity loader for centralized API layer and season based place behavior for a first visit only. And also I create a responsive dashboard and management screen. So let's see. And also there is a publish API documentation for the website, where all route and their requests are mentioned in that documentation. So this is the all the endpoint and authentication endpoint, all these stuff. And there are the technology stacks and library which I use in my project. And there is a env of backend and front end. So inside backend development there is there is three credentials of Supabase, like Supabase URL, which was an actual URL of the Supabase, and after that Supabase key, which was a Supabase anon key, and Supabase role key, which was these three credentials which a user get into their Supabase. And there is a SMTP credential where a user get into their Google account and inside and input this credential. And there is a password reset credentials, like reset in reset OTP will expire in 10 minutes. And also there is cooldown seconds was I was implemented and OTP, and so user can only attempt this OTP on a 5 times. And there is a fronted env, like inside front-end env there is a Supabase URL and a Supabase anon key. So this is the all these steps for this project. So let's see the actual project. So so this is the login screen of this project and login. So whenever new user was come, the firstly user can sign up with the employee ID, which was an unique. So this is the example of the email ID, and uh, enter the email and all these stuffs. And also it has user can select the warehouse staff role or inventory management role, and also password and confirmation. After that register account, so user can register their account. After that when a user can successfully signing, so user can add the employee ID, yeah, and password. So it will successfully redirect to our dashboard. And firstly we will see the actual how the was actually work. And email notification was uh, sent to an input email, like whenever a user login with their email, so OTP was sent to their input email. So like inside my recover access, so I use this email for login. So this I enter this email. So when I click on send OTP button, so it will process and send the OTP on the given email. So this is the actual dashboard of the core inventory. And this is the dashboard overview. Like inside this dashboard, uh, we will see the total production, low stock alert, and pending receipt and pending deliveries are the all the stuffs. And there are two chart, like there is a graph chart and there is a pie chart. So there is a sample data which I was implementing in this website. And also there is a theme control, where like user can switch their favorite theme according their interest. So after on the clicking on them, user can set the theme. And also there is a notification section where a user can see the all the notification, like low stock warning, draft deliveries, all the deliveries are waiting to dispatch, and all these stuffs. And also clicking on mark as already, so all the notification are the read successfully. Okay. So after that, there is a products section where there is list there user where user can see the actual listed product here, and also user can click to export data. So this will export a CSV file. So let's see the how the actual CSV file was shown. Like so when so inside this product session, user can see the SKU unit, product name and category, units and price, and also user can input that products by the USB-C cable, USB-C cable. After that, USB-C 1M, USB-C 1M001, USB-C on 1M001. So there is a also I can input the trade price of this uh, product. So I use 300, and also I can input the uh, uh, category of this, and also I can select unit, like there is unit, kg, liters and boxes and pallets. So there is unit. So when I click on save product button, so it will be my product was saved and listed over there. So after that we move in the receipt part, so user can see the receipt of whatever receipt was done and pending and cancel, are all the stuffs are over shown over there, and also user can see the receipt or according their interest, like in table format or a Kanban view. So in Kanban view, there is similar to GitHub. GitHub project. So inside this, we can see the draft ready and done and cancels receipt, and also we can export the data of the receipt, and also we can show the data of the receipt part. So this is the all the steps, and also user can print the receipt inside like a PDF or all these stuffs, and this is the only format of this receipt. After that, when when I click on create receipt button, so supplier name was Reliance Private Ltd. Okay, so schedule date TV. Okay, so I use select the product which was listed, uh, and what are the demands of this product, like actual demands were and add. So I can add this receipt and confirm registration. So the receipt was generated successfully, and see the actual reference, like this is the warehouse location and all these stuffs, and this receipt was in draft. So we can see in draft also when a mark is ready. So the receipt was ready, and also we can see the actual ready inside this table, and after that, we move forward into delivery section. So there is delivery section where a user can see the all over delivery of their products are waiting or done or draft according there, and also create there is a like whatever warehouse these products are starting delivered to there is a customer name and delivery date and status and action. So inside action section, extend part, so user can see the actual delivery content, like product name, SKU and whatever the quantity of done. And also we can mark as done or mark as ready. So when I click on mark is ready, so it will be status done and mark is done. So it will be it will be shown that delivery was done, and there is no also notification section are work in real time. So notifications are shown in this section. And when I click on create delivery button, so Reliance, it couldn't, it, uh, sorry. Mm, yeah. Okay, schedule date was 23. Okay, select the product. Demand was 12. Sorry, and demand was confirmed registration. So delivery was done. After that, we move on the transfer section. So inside transfer section, so uh, the transfer section was actually like when like let's understand this transfer section with the given like taking and one example. Like so we have an two warehouse, and their warehouse has similar kind of product like USB-C cable. So whenever one warehouse has a limit least stock of the uh less stock of the USB cable and USB, and less stock of a USB cable, and another warehouse has the more stock of this USB cable. So this warehouse can transfer the products to another warehouse. So this is called internal transfer. So this is by the done by internal warehouse. So there is a product like mechanical keyboard RGB, which was source location and destination, and quantity was log. Like whatever kind of quantity was transferred, and whatever the date and time, and also we can add the transfer stroke, and I can select, and there is the all the source like we also we can say the warehouse like rec one, and target node was rec from the location to location one one. Okay. So after that, we move in the stock section. So there is a stock section where whatever warehouse and whatever products has, and what kind of stocks are in their inventory manager. So there is a product and inside SQ, and what are the trade price of this product, and there is a quantity of on hand and free to use. And whenever when a user click on action button, so it can change the stocks adjustment, and like I I use uh, when I change the actual stock, so stock was changed. And so this is the only uh, section. And after that, move history. So it will be it's so the move history section display whatever the stock movements are listed over there, like what are the reference type and date, time, and product was transfer movements, and quantity was logged, and whatever the status of this, and stocks. And also user can see the by the table and Kanban or and timing. So it will be see according their interest. So this is the part of this uh, inventory management, and this is the profile section of inventory management, where user can change the password and go to the dashboard, and there are all the activity overview which was displayed in profile section. And there is a recent operation was done in uh, uh, done by user and all this stuff. So let's see the warehouse management dashboard was actually shown. After that, there is user can, so this will see the same dashboard of this warehouse, but there is some a new a new kind of features are there in the warehouse section. So we will show the actual warehouse and location was listed down here. So we can add the warehouse, like whatever warehouse are located in which kind of area, and what are the code of these warehouse, and warehouse whatever the warehouse name. So we can add the warehouse like by send uh, warehouse. So I can MU HB 001, and location was in Maritime. So what if I can add this warehouse? So it will see in this uh, data, and also I can see the internal locations of warehouses, like location name rec A1 shortcut, and parent warehouse, like there is a parent warehouse of this location. So I can add the location of this rec A23, and so it was rec A23, sorry, Q3. And select, also I can select the physical warehouse, like parental warehouse, which was created recently, Mumbai Central Warehouse. So this is the only stuff where warehouse management was actually done, and there is all the profile management of the warehouse. And so yeah, this is all the features and role and purpose to use this website. Thank you.